today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel on WordPress. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can start tracking your website activity for better ads and insights. First, open your WordPress website and sign into your dashboard. Make sure you're using an account with administrator access since you'll be adding a plugin. On the left-hand menu, find the Plugins section. Click Plugins to open it, then click Add New to go to the WordPress plugin library. This is where you can search and install tools that extend your site's functionality. In the search bar on the top right, type Pixel Your Site. This plugin is a popular and reliable way to manage your Facebook Pixel on WordPress without touching any code. When the Pixel Your Site result appears, click it, then click Install. Once the installation finishes, click Activate. Activating turns the plugin on so you can configure it. After it's activated, go back to your installed plugins list, locate Pixel Your Site in the list, and click Settings. This is the control panel where you'll manage your tracking and where you can start setting up your Facebook business account connection. Take a moment to look around the settings page so you know what's available. You'll typically see options related to the Facebook or Meta Pixel along with other platform integrations. If this is your first time, you may be guided through a quick setup inside the plugin. From here, you can begin the process of connecting your Facebook business account. Have your business login ready so you can authorize the connection when prompted. The plugin is designed to walk you through the essentials and keep everything organized on your site. If your site uses caching or performance plugins, it's a good idea to clear your cache after you save your settings to ensure your changes take effect across your pages. A couple of practical tips as you proceed: keep your WordPress and plugins up to date to maintain compatibility. Give the system a little time after setup, as data can take a short while to appear, and document any changes you make so you can easily review or adjust them later. If you run an online store or have the specific events you care about, you'll find options inside the settings to fine-tune what gets tracked, all from the same place. That's it. You've opened WordPress, installed and activated Pixel Your Site, and reached the settings page where you can start connecting your Facebook business account. Save your changes and you're ready to move forward with accurate tracking.